Friends, in this segment of video, we talk about the function of the heart. And before that, already we have discussed about what are the structures of the heart and what are the blood vessel present and the main function of the blood vessel. It carries the blood. In that blood, mainly blood contain that oxygen, nutrition and waste product, and it will be circulated all over your body parts, because each part of your body is made up of cell. So each cells require nutrition and oxygen for their growth and development. So heart is the main organ which help to pump the blood into the blood vessel so that blood keeps moving throughout the body. So before that, we have to know that which blood vessel will be connected to your heart. So this one is your heart, this one is heart. So already drawn here. Heart has how many chamber? In previous class discussed, heart has 4 chamber, human heart. This one is left auricle, this one is your right auricle, this one is your right ventricle and left ventricle. Here, if I have observed in that figure, here 2 blood vessel I have drawn and give that mark here. Fine. So this one is your superior vena cava, this one is your inferior vena cava. So this superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, it is a vein, and mainly it is carries the deoxygenated blood. Fine. It collected the deoxygenated blood from all over of your body parts. And superior vena cava mainly collect deoxygenated blood from upper body parts. Inferior vena cava collect deoxygenated blood from lower body parts, and that it pour into your right auricle. So on your right auricle fill up with the deoxygenated blood. So at the time, if I observe that it is lungs, and the main function of the lungs, you knew that here mainly your carbon dioxide will be exhale out, and here oxygen will be added in the blood vessel. So what will be happen? Here from your lungs, one blood vessel will be open into your left auricle. So that blood vessel name is pulmonary vein. Fine. And if I observe, one blood vessel will be connected from your right ventricle and it will be open into your left of your lungs. So that blood vessel name is pulmonary artery. Fine. So that pulmonary artery, you knew that it is carries the deoxygenated blood. And pulmonary vein, it carries the oxygenated blood. Let's understand what is the function of the heart. What will be happen throughout the heart. So first one is, your superior vena cava and inferior vena cava collect all the deoxygenated blood from all over your body parts, and it will be poured into your right auricle. So right auricle is filled up with deoxygenated blood. At the meantime, what will be happen? Lungs, from that lungs, pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood, and that oxygenated blood will be poured into your left auricle. So next, when here one node also present, so that node name is SA node, means sinoatrial node. Here mainly your wave also generated, means contraction of heart will be start here, when wave also generated. Due to of that, when your both the chamber will be filled up with blood, means right auricle and left auricle. Right auricle will be filled up with deoxygenated blood. At the meantime also left auricle will be filled up with blood. When both the chamber will be filled up with blood, one contraction will be occur. So when the that auricle will be contract. Here both the valve, this one is your bicuspid tricuspid valve, this one is your bicuspid valve, both the valve will be open. When both the valve will be open, from your right auricle deoxygenated blood will be come to your right ventricle. At the meantime, from your left auricle oxygenated blood will be come to your left ventricle. Fine. And meantime that both the chamber will be filled up with blood. Here deoxygenated blood will be filled up with, and here oxygenated blood will be filled up. And one condition is there when the contraction of the heart will be occur. So here when the both the chamber also filled up with blood, then here ventricular contraction will be occur. When ventricle will be contract, when ventricle will be contract, so through your pulmonary artery the deoxygenated blood come to your lungs for the removal of carbon dioxide and for the addition of oxygen. At the meantime, from your left ventricle by means of aorta, oxygenated blood will be supplied all over your body parts. And aorta, you knew that this one is the largest artery.